You are going to love the 2023 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, front-wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.